When you want to split a level, a good thing is to actually create a new level so you can control the height of the building parts. To do that, we go into the Architecture tab and all the way to the Datum, and here we can create a new level. Click it, and I would like to create a new level 600 millimeters beneath this level 1. And so I click and I drag all the way to the other end. Press escape twice, and now I can choose it, right click and rename it, and I would like it to be level 0. Also, I would like to rename the corresponding level and views. Next thing I want to do is to delete the floor, because when I split levels, I have to create a new floor just in the part of the building that is on the new level. So I click the floor, press delete, and now I have a floating house once more. Double click on level 0 and I'm back, and now I can create the new floors. I start the floor command, and I would like the 400 millimeters generic, and then I can draw or pick the lines, and you can do whatever you like. So we do this, and then we start creating the next floor. Next, we can go to level 0 and create the next part of the floor. Now when we go to our new section of the west end, we can see we've created 2 floors at different levels. So all we have to do now is attach the walls and windows, and then move the internal furniture to our new level. We start by going to level 0, and then we actually have to split this wall because the foundation underneath has to be different on this side and on this side. So if we click the wall, we can choose the split tool, and we pick a spot. We have to zoom in where it's aligned like this with the underlaying wall to the toilet. Click split, and we should have created 2 elements right now. Press escape a couple of times. Now we can choose these exterior walls, and instead of attaching or having a base constraint at level 1, we can change it to level 0. And now when we look at our 3D section, the walls are attached all the way down. Going back to level 0, we have to adjust these walls a little bit. We want to change this wall because it is joined into the others. I choose a wall and I zoom in a little bit, right click on the blue dot, and then I disallow the joints. Now this enables me to drag the end of the wall to the edge of the exterior walls. I can do the same thing with these 2 parts of the exterior wall. I click the wall, pick it, choose the blue dot, hold shift down, and now I can, if I go and touch this button, I'm going to move one part, now the next, and now we've moved the 2 wall parts where to the right placement. We're going to zoom out a little bit, and we're going to do the same thing to split this interior wall. Now after we've split the walls, we have to attach them differently, so we choose the inside of the walls, the inner walls right here, these 5, not the toilet, right here, and we attach them to level 0 instead of level 1. The same procedure should be done with all the windows and the doors, of course, and all the internal furniture. A little tip, now that we're at level 1, we probably have to change the view range because it where the different, we moved the floor down, and now we can't see the windows. So we're gonna go 1600 and see. Oh yes, and then they show up. Now going to back to our section west end, we can see that the windows and doors have been moved down. And let's see over here. Yep, the windows are down too. And let's see. Yes, this room. And we have a little issue in here because we probably need to create some stairs inside the house.